Hi, Grandma. I'm gonna open this.
What is it?
Lord of the Rings!
Lord of the Rings? Show me.
Lord of the Rings.
Is that the set you wanted?
Yeah, Grandma. Yeah. I wanted it. I wanted this set. I can't believe it's so huge.
Are you going to be able to build that?
I think Samuel.
Samuel?
Yeah. I know what's funny? That this guy and him are the only ones that show ears.
Oh, that is funny. So what do you say for Grandma?
Thank you, Grandma. I already said that anyways. There's tape. Yeah, there's tape.
Okay. Say bye-bye.
Goodbye, Grandma.